and welcome to Kirly-sue's kitchen, where today we are making scrambled tofu using silken tofu. Now usually it would be firm tofu, but today I'm using silken tofu. So first of all, you want to drain the excess liquid. So let me quickly do that. You just get a little bowl and do it here so you can see it. So first of all, just drain off the excess liquid like so. Let's get rid of that. Put that aside. Put it back here. And then we're going to heat the pan. Turn on the stove. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comment section below. And if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. So first of all, let me tell you what the ingredients are. So we're going to have silken tofu, and then we're going to use this thing called namak, which is a type of salt that makes it's black salt, even though it's pink. And you use this to give it a kind of a eggy kind of taste. If you don't have this, it's fine, you can do it without, but I'm going to be using that today. And then we're going to be using some turmeric. We've got some turmeric here, and also some vegan butter. So today I'm going to be using Flora, because Flora, as you can see, is vegan. Most of their range is now vegan, which is great. And a little bit of nutritional yeast, which I've got in a tub here as well. So first of all, we want to strain it out, and then we've just put that to the side. And then we're going to put some butter into this pan. Let me just turn it down a bit so it doesn't burn. So we're going to use a tablespoon of the vegan butter into the pan. That's all we're going to need. We're going to let that melt for a little bit. Just get a fork, because we're going to use it to break up the vegan butter. So if you're just joining us, we're doing scrambled tofu using silken tofu. Alright, so just melt the vegan butter like that. And then once that's completely melted, then we're going to add the tofu. So I'm going to let that melt. The tofu. And put it all in. So you need a full block. I didn't have quite a full block, but it's still fine. And if you want to know how to make tofu, I've got a recipe on my channel called how to make tofu using chickpeas. So chickpea tofu, there's a recipe for it on my channel. Put the link in the description for you and pin it in the comments so you can make the tofu. So you just break it up a bit, not too much because it's quite soft, and then you let it cook down for a bit. So once it's done that, then you turn the heat up a little bit. If you have any questions, pop them in the question box and I am more than happy to answer them. If you're just joining us, we're making scrambled tofu using silken tofu today. Please give it a thumbs up or comment in the comment section below, and I promise to give you a shout out as well. Happy to see you here. There we go. So just move that around because we want to dry it, because you're kind of drying it out a little bit because the silken tofu tends to be quite wet. So our next ingredient we're going to add is going to be the turmeric. So we're going to add the turmeric, and then so it will give it that nice golden color. And then after that we're going to add our black salt, just give it a little bit of a taste. and then we'll add our salt and pepper and our nutritional yeast, and that's going to be it. Okay, so we just put in the silken tofu. So I melted the butter, put in the silken tofu, so we're just waiting for it to start sizzling a bit, and then I will add the turmeric. And we're also going to be adding some spring onion or scallion to this as well to give it a nice bit of flavor. And this is a really good, quick and easy recipe to make. It's kind of one of my go-tos. But yes, now it's starting to sizzle. We add our teaspoon of turmeric. So if you're joining us, welcome to Kirly-sue's kitchen. So I would tend to sprinkle it around like that and then give it a stir. So we add the butter. We melted the butter, 1 tablespoon of vegan butter first of all. Then we added the silken tofu. Wait until it started sizzling, and then we added our turmeric. You see it's given that nice golden color. All right, so we're gonna let that cook down for a little bit. If you're just joining us, we're making scrambled tofu. So we melted the butter, added the silken tofu, and now I just added a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Thank you for the thumbs up. So added the ground turmeric. So we're going to leave it to cook down a little bit. So we've done that. And now we're going to add the black salt. So it's called black salt, but it's not actually black. It's called namak, and this gives it a kind of an eggish kind of taste. It's kind of weird, but it does do that. So I'm going to add, how much of that we're going to use? 1 teaspoon of that. We add that now. And get a clean teaspoon. Put that in here. So we have 1 teaspoon of that. We're going to give it a stir. There we go. Make sure you give it a good stir so it distributes the flavor throughout the dish. So now we've done that. So we've added that and sprinkled it around the pan. And now we're going to add some nutritional yeast. So the nutritional yeast looks like this. You can usually buy it in Whole Food stores or in Holland and Barrett if they're in the UK. If you're in the US, which I know a lot of you are, in the US you can get it in Kruger's or Trader Joe's. All these different sorts of places sell it. Or easiest way is to just go online and just put in nutritional yeast and you'll be able to find it as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because you'll be able to see every time I'm going live, and you'll also get an alert when I post videos. Requests for any other videos, please pop it in the comment section below. Is any other type of recipes you want me to do, put that in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to do that. So I'm going to let this dry out a little bit so it's not too soggy, and then we'll be more or less ready. So I'm going to be using, so basically I'm going to do the scrambled egg on toast. I've got this bread, which is Ezekiel bread, so I'm going to just toast some of that. Now I'm going to add some spring onion. So I'm just going to cut some up into it just like this. There you go. So I've just got some kitchen scissors. Just gonna chop it up as we go, just like that. stir that in. I like my scrambled tofu a little bit on the dry side, so I'm gonna let this cook a little bit more so it's a bit drier. Toast. So basically we're doing the scrambled tofu on the toast. So I'm just going to put, well, I think we're done now. So just put some of the scrambled tofu onto the bread, like so. That's already been toasted. It smells delicious. You are gonna love this. Light it up a bit. And then just add a little more of the spring onions on top. Like that. And a little more, just shaking. So we just finished making our scrambled tofu. If you have any comments or any suggestions for more videos, please pop them in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me today. There you go. So this was a quick, and the full recipe is in the description box below. Please feel free to go there to get the full recipe. I've done it there for you, so you can go back and follow along with the full description, full recipe, ingredients and everything. So that is it. So that is now our scrambled tofu on 2 slices of toast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, the like button. It really does help me a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos that eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.